Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show to share your live location on WhatsApp iPhone. We're gonna begin by opening up your WhatsApp. Once you open up your WhatsApp, you're gonna arrive on this screen right here. Make sure to look on the bottom where it says chat. Tap on chat right there. Then now you can arrive on this screen right here. As you arrive on this screen right here, now you can look up where it says like the search. Tap on search right there. Then make sure to search for the person that you're gonna share a location with. Once you find the person, tap on them. Then now you can arrive here. As you arrive here, make sure you look in the bottom left hand corner. We're gonna see the addition sign. Tap on that addition sign right there. Then now you can arrive on this screen right here. Once you arrive on this screen right here, make sure you tap where it says location right there. Tap on location. Then now you have the ability to share your live location. Tap where it says live location right there. Tap on that. Then now you can decide for how long you're gonna put your live location on. Then once you're done that, make sure you look in the bottom right hand corner. We're gonna see like the blue circle, also the white arrow inside here. Tap on that. Then you're gonna see where it says like your live location right there. And that's how you share your live location on WhatsApp iPhone. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.